tell me if you're really there. Don't rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie.
I'm about to eat my snack, and then I'm going to go in my room, go straighten everything up, and I'm going to do a little bit of I don't know how to explain it. Just sit and chill and talk about things with you guys. So yeah, here's a video for you guys. So I am back. I'm just cleaning Stitch's cage. It's so stinky. Ugh. He poops a lot. Like, the reason why I showed you guys the last clip of Stitch's bathing and everything and what I do is because I wanted to give you guys a visual on what it's like to have a ferret.
Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily.
Alright guys, so I don't know whether you guys can see me or not or hear me, but I am at cheer practice right now. We're not cheer practice, I'm waiting for cheer practice to start, but they have a basketball tournament that is sponsored by my church, CCWC, and I'm just kind of watching it. To be honest, it's kind of interesting because it's fun to see all the boys try to get basketballs in the hoops. It's really, really funny because it's like a huge group of boys, and it's just, to me, it's kind of like fun. But basically all I'm gonna do is my homework, and then I'm going to stretch and just get more questions for my Q&A today, because I'm really, really excited to do that for the first time with a lot of questions. I'm really, really hoping that this works out. And I don't know if you guys can still hear me. Like, it's so loud. So I'll get back with you guys once I'm done my homework, and then we're gonna stretch. Okay, all done my homework. Now it is time to stretch. Just letting you know, I'm just gonna time lapse through that.
In the new old-fashioned way.
I have these these lip liner pencils from Ulta, and then I also have these matte and shimmer lipstick. All these matte and shimmer lipsticks that I'm going to be trying just to see what the perfect red would be for tomorrow and also for Saturday for the Christmas parade. Oh, I didn't mention it, but tomorrow I have a JV game, and I guess we're supposed to wear red lipstick.
Early. Rockin' around, 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 rockin', 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 rockin'.
Let's go now.
Rockin' up, 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 rockin' up.
I didn't finish the other eye because I, one, am too tired, my eyeball burns, and I just wanted to kind of get through it. So this is the finishing look. I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching day 6 of Vlogmas. This is a 4-day vlog right here. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.